Good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, March 7th. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades called. There was 2 other trades I mentioned we did not take. I'm going to go through them real quick here because we did have a pretty active day. The first trade was at 8:36 Central Standard Time in the ES. That was 1881 quarter. We went short. And that one worked out for about, it went 3 points, so say a couple points on that one. Nobody would have been filled at 3 points, 2.5 points, and that would have been it. The next trade was at 8:51. We were short on that trade in the ES. The price was 1876, and that one worked for 2 points. Call it a point, because no one would have gotten filled at 2 points. We say the trade usually should go 1.5 to 2 points. It did go exactly 2 points, did everything it needed to do. And when it started closing up here again, it wasn't going to go any further. While some of us were still in this trade, or if you didn't take this trade, we also had a trade in crude oil. We got long at 8:51 Central Standard Time. The price was 102.39. I said that the market should be able to go, 102.38. Okay, I said that the market should go up to 53. It actually went a little bit higher than that. It went up to 67. I said 53 was the first stop, and it did that. And then the next target was 25 pennies up, which is what we normally take, and that would have been that second line up there. And that's where we got out. So that one we got 38, 58. Yeah, we got 25 pennies. We got about 27, 28 pennies on that, but it would have been 25 pennies because that would have been the next target spot, and that was a nice trade there. There was a long right here. I said it probably would only work out for about a point. If we never take a trade with anticipation of only getting a point, although if that's all we can get, that's all we can get. But I knew that there was some trouble potentially up ahead here. I said I was not going to take it, but it was an absolute trade. Could have made a point or two on it, but we passed on that trade. We got short, and this was really nice one for the day in ES. We got short again at 1676 at 10 o'clock. Now, once it came back down here, I knew we were going. My first target was 2/4. 275 to 2/4 area. It stopped on a close right there, right at 2/4, and then the next target was 975, 69.75. All those were hit. That's from the 76. So that was a nice 6-point trade there. And when it failed, it tried again to come down, failed. I said that most likely that was probably going to be it unless it closed below the 69.75 to open us up for bigger targets down below. Once that happened and they came back up here again, we did not take this trade. It was getting late in the morning. We already had 4 nice winners. So I just said, there would be a long right here and after this red candle, and they were probably going to take it up. And at least to 75 off the 72s, and then we could have had a potential add on here as well, but it was just getting too late in the morning. So again, we did not take that trade, but it was mentioned in the room in advance before the market started moving. But the ones we did take was 1, 2, 3, a really nice one in crude, and that was it. So nice way to end the week. We're going to come back Monday and do it all over again. And until then, happy trading, guys.